Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to check Experian reference number. So without any further ado, you're going to be heading over to that. So first of all, simply search Experian contact, or you can also say their customer support. So in order to get your reference number, you're going to be contacting their support team, as this is the fastest way to get help. So if you want to check your Experian reference number, head over to the very first link on the top. Once we are there, you can see we are onto the platform. Now you can see we have my Experian membership, and we have our credit report disputes, or if you have any type of fraudulent or identity theft, or access my credit report. So of course in your credit report there is going to be your credit reference Experian reference number as well, that you can simply check. So yeah, you're going to be simply clicking onto that. Make sure that you're signed into your platform or your account, and only that way you will be able to get or receive your reference number. So basically that's how you get it. If you still have any question, let us know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, guys, and see you guys in the next video.